There's two crows in the tree and they're making some really interesting sounds. Listen to this. They're talking to each other. There's one right here, and there's another one up here. And they're doing some weird sounds. Very strange.